Hope you guys are doing well. So, first of all, thank you so much for the love you guys have showered on my previous video. Thank you so much. So, today's video is going to be 5 beginner tips for anyone who wants to excel their skills in public speaking or in communication in both ways. So, this will be like a very beginner tip thing, but if you want to learn more, or if you feel that I can assist you in this process, please get in touch. I have mentioned the LinkedIn and the Instagram profile of mine. I would be waiting for more and more DMs from your end, and I would love to help you. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So starting with the first point, always remember to maintain a proper eye contact, because if you like speak to a person looking into their eyes, or if you are looking directly at the camera, that shows how confident you are about what you're saying, and your confidence can actually make the other person feel confident. Always remember that. Okay, coming to the second point, always remember, as a beginner, you should be prepared about a particular speech which you are trying to give. Okay, so don't make it very impromptu. Try noting down the points around which you want the conversation to revolve or the speech to revolve. So once you have a proper jotted down points, it is easier for you to remember it and synchronize it accordingly. Because if you go there impromptu as a beginner, I won't advise that, because it doesn't work exactly how you want it to. So that is the second one. Third comes the point, getting over the performance anxiety. So you have this performance anxiety when you're on stage, or when in your subconscious mind you're imagining that there will be a stage full of people and everything. So to get over performance anxiety, the first thing you should remember is, first try to understand that no one is judging you here. Okay, once you get that straight, the second thing that comes to your mind is, are you speaking relevant? So to make your speech relevant, you have already jotted down the points so that you don't miss out on that. Also, I would recommend you to practice the speech before going up as a speaker for the first time, or before speaking in front of the camera the first time. Before I started speaking in front of the camera, I used to do a lot of mirror practice, because I feel it worked like wonders to me. So if you see my first video, you would understand how terrible I was. So I have done a lot of mirror practice, honestly, and I would recommend it to everyone. Like, so stand in front of the mirror and speak it out. Speak about whatever you want to speak on the stage. Or suppose you're going to meet someone for the first time, how you're going to introduce yourself, how the conversation you want it to flow. So try practicing all this in front of the mirror, because while you're doing it, you can look at the mirror and understand how you are playing with your expressions. Because your body language speaks a lot about you, and it's a very important part. Also, people can also try recording it through the camera, like putting the camera and speaking in front of it, and then recording it and re-listening it, because that's going to help you understand the expression of the sync as well. So that is also something you can do. So once the script is prepared, or once you're prepared to meet someone for the first time, do your first professional pitch, or when you're planning to make a good impression of yourself, try practicing it as well, because I feel that's going to make it more better. Because this is something I recommend to every beginner. Once your points are jotted down, once you know where you want to speak, which lines you want to speak, now it's about your practice and then going on the stage and killing it. So this was the third point. Point will be something that always try narrating the story on the first person, because that keeps the interest of the other person also alive. So always remember this. Try using I have done this, I have done that, rather than they have done it or XYZ has done it. So your own stories will be more interesting to the people and will initiate the interaction properly. The last point, if suppose you are conversing in person, or suppose you are conversing with someone through a speech or something, or suppose you are making a video, or suppose you are on the stage with like thousands of listeners in front of you, always remember, you can to make it more interesting or make it more interactive, you can keep on adding questions to the entire speech or conversation. Suppose, what is their viewpoint on it, what do they feel about this, or what is their opinion of this. So this is going to make it a both way interaction, because always remember, effective communication is effective interaction. It has to be a two-way process for the same. So this were my points for all the beginners who are watching this. I hope this was helpful. In case you want to know all of this in details, or want to know about how you should start or something, please get in touch. I would love to help. And thank you so much for watching. Keep sharing, keep supporting. It's your support which is going to make me go as much as I want to go. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.